Paul Lokech was a senior military officer at the rank of Major General in the Uganda People's Defence Forces, who was appointed Deputy Inspector General of Police of the Uganda Police Force on 16 December 2020. Between November 2017 and December 2019, he served on special assignment to monitor on behalf of the guarantors of the South Sudan peace process, the assembling, screening, demobilization and integration of the armed forces of South Sudan. Before that, he served as Chief of Staff of the UPDF Air Force for a period of 5 months, from 11 July 2019 until 11 December 2019. Prior to that, from December 2018 until July 2019, he was Commandant of Uganda Rapid Deployment Capability Center in Jinja, in the eastern region of Uganda. He was appointed to that position in December 2018. He succumbed to a blood clot on 21 August 2021. He was born in the Acholi sub-region in the northern region of Uganda. His military career includes service in various leadership capacities, including 2 tours as the commander of the Uganda contingent to Somalia as part of the AMISOM peacekeeping force. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.